So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's EURUSD again, and today we're going to be talking about a trade I took with the VIP. I think the trade was about 7 hours, and this trade smash TP actually. So let's get right into it. So I saw this trade approaching my zone, I think from the H4, and I think last week. This was last week right here. So I was thinking price might hold at this zone right here. But what gave me the confidence to mark out this zone, right, was, as you can see, the price didn't feel this supply zone, right? The price didn't feel this supply zone. The price actually came close to the supply zone and dropped massively, right? So I knew price is going to use this zone right here, this high right here, as an imbalance on liquidity, right? So I was just waiting for price to approach my zone. Though I was actually following the trade right here. I caught some trades from here, and yeah, but my main POI was this zone right here. So when price approached my zone, I was just looking for a shift, right? Because if I'm to take this trade, the stop loss is very wide. So I was waiting for price to give me a shift right here, right? So when I saw the price actually making all those lower highs and taking this low, so I went to the lower time frame, which is H1, right? As you can see right here, this is a high, this is a lower low, this is a lower high, this is a lower low. So I knew that price was changing trend, and as you can see right here, if you go to the lower time frame, these are equal highs. So I knew price is going to reach this high. So I wasn't using any supplies over here. So I was waiting for price to actually come to this zone, this high right here, for me to catch my trade. So when price came to this zone, it didn't eventually come to my zone. Right now, this gave me confidence that price will come back to that zone, and I marked out this high as an imbalance or liquidity for the price to fill. Right? So I didn't just wait. I was actually catching these shells, as you can see right here. So I think I caught this sell right here, yeah. So why I caught this sell was a flip. It's a flip strategy, right? Flip zone. Now price reacted to this zone, right? And we saw the price failing, as you can see right here. We saw the price failing this zone and going to the downside, right? Now I broke this low, and I was expecting price to come fill this supply zone, and it actually did. And we caught about, I think, 4 hours and close, because I knew price was because I used the mixture of retail and smart money concept, or SMD. As you can see right here, this support and resistance zone, right? So I knew price was going to reverse from this zone right here, especially coming to this zone, right? So we took our profit around here, and we're just waiting, right? I knew price might respect, or I was thinking price might respect, or actually fill this zone. So I didn't get it, right? Because I knew there's a zone right here that we need to fill. So I was just actually waiting for a shift for me to get into this trade. So now price ended up breaking the high, reading this high. So I was just actually waiting for entry right here, and it ended up stopping me because I used this zone right here, and as you can see, it as well. So it took an L that day. So when price came to my zone, this was where I was just aggressive. Now I took this trade and I took it to this demand zone, because we might see price doing this, coming to my zone and actually continue reading highs, right? So but I knew because there's going to be a reaction from this zone, right? So now price came here, reacted from this zone after we closed. So I knew that if this price is continuing to the downside, right, I will still have interest, and that's why I took my trade, took my full profit around here, and I told the community to also take their profit around here, right? And they took the profit around there. So when I saw the reaction from this demand zone and break, so I was just actually waiting for my entry. So I marked out my immediate supply zone that broke the previous low and break this low right here. So I just marked out my zone. So you see right here, I marked out this zone, out of this zone, and I was just waiting for price to fill this zone and for me to engage in. As you can see, it filled this zone, but it was around 2 West African time, as you can see right there. So I didn't get in this trade, so I was just eventually waiting for price to come to this zone So I'll have my entry. Right now let's go to lower time frame, so I'll show you why I actually took this trade. Right? Because I didn't actually fully use this zone for this entry. Right? I marked out this zone for this, and I actually use this zone as my last supply zone, as you can see right here. And the price held, and we got about 7.3 hour, and we took our full profit because I knew there's a liquidity right here, sitting right here. And I also have my demand zone from the high time frame on the H4, as you can see. And there's also actually a liquidity sitting below here. So I was just patiently waiting for price to fill this zone and continue to the downside. And this is also a fake out around 10 o'clock, and you can actually catch this trade right here and still be in profit. That's if you didn't go to break even early, right? But price leaving this liquidity right here, I knew price is going to still sell, because a lot of people were actually sending me a screenshot that they're actually buying because price respected this demand zone. And I told them that this is a scalp trade, you can get in and get out at this zone, but we are long term selling, right? So that's actually it. Maybe I'm going to put a screenshot of the trade we took on the screen so you see the trade we took. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please follow me. Twitter, there's Hager_funds. Yeah, keep up with me, and post free signals on my Telegram too, and on my Instagram. I call out trades, so you can follow me to keep up with me and my signals, right? So that's actually it for this trade, and I will actually see you on the next one. If you have any question or any strategy you want me to talk about, or any pair you want me to do my outlook on, please comment it on my comment section, and I'll actually do that. So till next time, stay blessed.